how much RAM and bandwidth you'll need for different amounts of visitors per month. A web server with adequate resources ensures excellent performance and user experience. Shared hosting is best suited for websites with low traffic, generally less than 30,000 visitors a month. Cloud hosting or VPS hosting is best suited for medium to high traffic websites with monthly traffic between 30,000 to a million. Dedicated VPS hosting is best suited for very large sites in the millions of visitors per month. Every plan has a limit of live users or concurrent visitors it can accommodate on your site. Concurrent users or number of page requests per second is a standard way of effectively planning, measuring, and managing hosting capacity. Whenever you reach a real-time concurrent visitor limit for your hosting plan, the CPU usage will reach 100% and your site will start loading very sluggishly and eventually end up in a 504 gateway error message to your potential visitors. How much traffic different hosting resources can handle? Please note that these numbers are just estimates. They are not set in stone because there are a lot of variables that can cause these numbers to differ from website to website. A 1 GB RAM cloud hosting plan can accommodate up to 75 concurrent visitors or real-time hits per second and deliver up to 30,000 to 70,000 monthly traffic. A 2 GB RAM cloud hosting package can accommodate up to 150 concurrent visitors or real-time hits and deliver up to 70,000 to 130,000 monthly visits. A 4 GB RAM cloud hosting package can accommodate up to 225 concurrent visitors or real-time hits and deliver up to 130,000 to 300,000 monthly traffic. An 8 GB RAM cloud hosting plan can accommodate up to 525 concurrent visitors or real-time hits and deliver up to 300,000 to 650,000 monthly traffic. A 16 GB RAM cloud hosting package can accommodate up to 1,050 concurrent visitors and deliver up to 650,000 to 1 million monthly visits. A 32 GB RAM cloud hosting package can accommodate up to 2,175 concurrent visitors or real-time hits and deliver up to 1 million to 3 million monthly traffic. How to calculate bandwidth requirements? Bandwidth in website hosting is the amount of data your website can transfer to your users in a given amount of time. To calculate the required daily bandwidth for your hosting plan, use this formula. Let page size or website size be represented by A. Let the average daily pages per session be represented by the letter C, and let the average daily sessions be represented by the letter D. The formula for the daily bandwidth requirement is equal to website page size times average daily pages per session multiplied by average daily sessions. That is, bandwidth requirement per day is equal to A times C times D. Here's an example. Let's assume that your website has a page size of 1.55 megabytes, an average daily page views per session of 3.57, and average daily sessions of 2,100. The bandwidth consumption per day is therefore 1.55 times 3.57 multiplied by 2,100 megabytes, which gives us 11,620.35 megabytes, which is equal to 11.62 gigabytes. In order to calculate the required bandwidth consumption per month, we'll have to multiply whatever we got in the last step by 30 days, which is 11.62 gigabytes times 30 days, which is equal to 348.6 gigabytes per month. Effectively using a CDN and caching seeks to drastically reduce your overall website size. From our bandwidth formula above, as the page size reduces, the required bandwidth also reduces, meaning that our website will be faster and be able to accommodate more traffic, all other factors being equal. Click the first link in the description for the cloud hosting provider I personally use.